Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use the Spooky Space sticker pack on Facebook Messenger. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook Messenger app. Make sure your Facebook Messenger app up to date. Then open any conversation to send sticker. Tap emoji icon from bottom menu. Then tap sticker beside star button. Tap sticker store icon on bottom right. Here you will find Spooky Space. Tap Spooky Space. These are the Spooky Space stickers. Tap download free pack. Spooky Space sticker downloaded. Tap on the icon from bottom menu. Then you can send spooky stickers. So these are the steps to use the Spooky Space sticker pack on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.